Welcome back to Abby's Digital Nook. So you want free Kindle books. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get completely free Kindle books directly from Amazon. No special programs, no downloading anything random. It requires very minimal effort and you're going to be able to stuff your Kindle with hundreds of books. I like to do this once a month. I'll find a bunch of new releases, a bunch of new authors, and I will stuff my Kindle with brand new books that I probably would never even thought to read. If you're looking for a very specific book or a very specific author, this is not going to be the method for you. This method is discovering new genres, discovering new artists, discovering new writers, discovering new authors. If you want to find out how to stuff your Kindle with hundreds of books in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how.
Okay, so you'll need to be on the Amazon website, and what you're going to do is head to the Kindle store. Make sure you have your price set from low to high. And first, you're going to get a bunch of results. Obviously, you'll get some that cost money. And if you see anything that says 0.00 to buy, that means it's 100% free. Now, Amazon doesn't want you to get free stuff, obviously. They want to promote stuff that costs money, so they're going to give you a bunch of stuff that starts at 99 cents. So go to the side where it says deals and discounts and hit clear. Now this is going to give you your list of books that are completely free. Yes, some of them say Kindle Limited, but directly underneath it's going to say or 0.00 to buy, which means that today and for however long, all of these books are completely free. So this is where you would select it and purchase it. I already grabbed a bunch of these books. And obviously I have Kindle Unlimited, so it's offering for me to just read it for free. But what I actually do is just go ahead and select it and open it up, and then I hit purchase. So as you can see, there's so many different books you can get. There's so many genres, so many different things that you can add to your Kindle. And I'm going to show you as well how to kind of like navigate through and find books that are in the genres that you actually like. But first I wanted to just show you like there's hundreds and hundreds of books in every single category that you can add to your Kindle, whether it's self-help books, whether it's romance books, whether it's like a cooking book. Like there's literally so many books, and you do not need to have a Kindle Unlimited account. So as you can see, everything on this page is in random order. They are not specified to a specific niche or a specific genre. But I like to kind of just scroll through here first just to see, just at a glance, and just grab a bunch of books that might spark my interest. I definitely grabbed this historical book. I also grabbed like the Essential Home Apothecary book just because I can, why not? So here is a book that is a romance book. That was one of the first options that was free, so I just grabbed it. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's on the page, and it says 100%, and you hit buy now with one click. Now that is going to automatically send to your Kindle, and now you have it. Here's another one. This was also in the romance category. So from the Kindle store, you're going to go to where it says Kindle eBooks and select your genre. I have selected romance, but you can basically see there's tons of different genres that you can find that makes sense for you, what works for you. So I just hit that, then I hit romance, and then it gives me a bunch of books that are in my category and are completely free. Make sure that you still have it set from lowest to highest price. So I did that for every genre that I like. That's romance. I did the same thing for fantasy. I did the same thing for sports romance, hockey. Like all those things are like my favorite tropes, and you can get a ton of them for free. I don't know who any of these authors are. I also look for Black African American literature. Like there's a lot of free books that are out here right now, and Kindle updates this like every single month. So, well, actually, they update it every day, but I like to wait every 30 to 60 days or maybe even 90 days and then go back and restock my Kindle with a bunch of free things. So, this is probably the easiest method that you can find to stuff your Kindle, and I love doing this. From doing this method, I have opened up my eyes to a bunch of genres that I probably would have never ever read before. Like I have never read like billionaire romance books, like or like boss CEO, that type of stuff. I've never read those type of books, and I probably never would have had it not been for just getting it for free. I've also grabbed a bunch of self-help books, like side hustle books, chat GPT books, AI books. Like it's kind of cool that they have all these listed, and not many people know about it because you won't find it unless you're searching.
So what a lot of people don't realize is, first of all, you don't need to have a Kindle Unlimited account to get these free books. These are not all Kindle Unlimited books. But what a lot of people don't realize is that when a lot of the books go to Kindle Unlimited first, like if it's a brand new release, then a lot of the time the book is actually completely free to buy as well. Because you have Kindle Unlimited, you probably don't even realize that, because you're like, oh, let me get this book, let me add it to my Kindle with Kindle Unlimited. But if you actually look closely, a lot of those books are just completely free because they were just released, or maybe they've been around for a while and they're not really getting a lot of traction, so they've been added to Kindle Unlimited, and Kindle is letting you get it completely for free to buy. You don't have to read them now, you can read them later. Back in 2023, when I first got Kindle Unlimited, I had added maybe like 20 books from Kindle Unlimited, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna read these later, and then I ended up not reading them and returning them. Then in 2024, when I decided I actually do want to read these books, I went back to them to find them for Kindle Unlimited, and they were no longer Kindle Unlimited, they're $14.99. So I was like, oh my god, why didn't I read it when I could get it? This method now is a way for me to get those books and read them later, have them on my Kindle, and they're yours. Like, you don't have to worry about like Kindle Unlimited, removing it from Kindle Unlimited or having a specific time to read it. You have it now, you've purchased it, but it's free, and you can read it at any point. So that is one of the many methods of how I stuff my Kindle with hundreds of books. Every month I do this method and I never run out of stuff to read. So if you guys want to stuff your Kindle and find lots of free books for you to read for free forever, then be sure to do this method, and I hope that this helped you guys in some way. If it did, please go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you're brand new, and I will see you guys in another video coming up very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!